Art Gallery. So today's video is based on best out of waste, and here I'm using an old shirt box to make a very beautiful room decor. It can either be used as a door hanging, and it is a bit time consuming, but the end results will surely amaze you. So I hope you guys will enjoy it, and now without wasting any more time, let's get started.
I took this old shirt box and carefully I have opened all its corners like this, and after that I have cut out the extras. Then I used black acrylic color to paint it. Once it is done, I kept it to dry for some time, and after that I painted it using metallic copper color along with little glitter to give it the final touch. Then I made these small circles using an old cardboard. After that I took a pink color sheet, and from one of its corner I folded it like this, and after cutting it out, give it 3 to 4 more such folds, and after that draw 2 different size petals and cut them out carefully. When you will open it, you will get a shape like this. Now separate them from between and you will get 2 different size petals like this. After that, take that circular cardboard, and now you have to paste these small petals in the front line like this. Once you are done, flip it and apply a white glue on the back side. Now you have to paste all these bigger petals on the back side like this. And in the same way you can make a number of such flowers. After that I took this whitener to draw a certain pattern on this flower to give it a more realistic look, and you can draw it using any other painting color or glitter pen. Here I made this small and easy pattern, but you can go for any other one if you want. I made this one because it was easy and less time consuming. I made the same pattern on other flowers also. I made yellow flowers along with the pink because yellow and pink go together very well. You can make flowers of any other colors as well. After that I took these small pieces of glasses which is generally used for embroidery, and I'm only painting it on these pink flowers with the help of white glue. I thought to use these remainings of the shirt box, so I made small circles out of it for the yellow flowers. Cut it out carefully in proper circular shape. And I made them because I wanted both the flowers to look a little different from each other. You can also draw a certain pattern or dots on these black circles. And all of my flowers are ready. They really look very pretty. Now once it is dried, all you have to do is arrange these flowers carefully and in the manner you want. It is always better to arrange it before pasting it permanently. It will give a better idea of how you should arrange it. And then I pasted them all in the pattern I wanted. After that I took this white acrylic color and I started drawing using it. Now in case if you are not good at drawing, you can simply make it using a pencil and then you can paint it. I'm very good at drawing, so it was really very easy and quick for me. So I made it using directly the acrylic color. So once it is done, please do let it dry carefully. Now when it comes to writing, I'm not that much good, So I have written it using a white pencil color, and after that I have painted it using this white acrylic color. Here I am using white color because it really goes well with a black background, but if you want you can go for any other color of your choice. After it was done, I kept it to dry for some time. Until then, I thought to make some leaves to give it even a more better look. So I used a green chart paper and I made certain leaves of different size on it, and here also I used the whitener to make this pattern on these leaves. And here also I'm arranging them before pasting, because arranging is a very good method to do. You should always arrange things before pasting them permanently. It will give you a better idea of how you should do it. And once you are satisfied, you can paste them permanently. Now with the remainings of the green chart paper, I thought to make small little stems to decorate it. And I never waste anything. I try to use them all. You can see I have almost used each and everything which I could. And this DIY was totally made up of old cardboard and old chart papers. So it was really a very fun DIY. And you need not to go out and purchase stuff to make it. I used this shiny thick thread along with the black tape, and I attached it from the back side so I can easily hang it on the wall. You can either paste it on the wall using a double-sided tape, or you can simply keep it on a table as per your choice.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you recreate any of my DIYs, you can share their pictures on my Instagram account. Its link is given in my description box.